Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore retargeting ads using Meta Pixel and Events Manager step by step clearly. To restore retargeting ads using Meta Pixel and Events Manager, begin by logging into your Meta Business Suite. Navigate to the Events Manager section from the left sidebar. In Events Manager, locate your existing pixel. If you do not have a pixel, create a new one by following the prompts in Events Manager. Once you have your pixel ready, ensure it is properly installed on your website. Test the pixel by using the Pixel Helper Chrome extension to confirm it's working. Next, define your target audience for retargeting. Go to the Audiences section within your Meta Business Suite. Click on Create Audience and select Custom Audience. Choose Website Traffic as the source for your custom audience. Specify the criteria for your audience, such as people who visited specific pages or took certain actions. Set the desired time frame for how recently users interacted with your site. After creating your audience, navigate back to Ads Manager. Select Create Campaign and choose your campaign objective. For retargeting, consider goals such as conversions or traffic. Once your campaign is set up, choose your newly created custom audience under the Audience section. Continue to define your ad placements and budget according to your strategy. Design your ad by uploading engaging visuals and writing compelling copy. Preview your ad to ensure everything looks correct. Lastly, click Publish to launch your retargeting campaign. Monitor its performance regularly in Ads Manager and optimize as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.